3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's good to be back. Welcome back, and welcome to the brand new setup for 2018 and a brand new smartphone comparison test. I really hope you guys like the new template, the layout and design. It certainly took a considerable amount of time and hard work creating the look of this setup, but I'm thrilled to say it's finally here. So I decided my content needed a fresh new look for 2018, hence no new video recently, but more importantly I wanted to take my video content quality to the next level. Now you'll be able to see all smartphone comparison tests in absolute pristine 4K Ultra HD quality. Now that's what I'm talking about. And of course I can switch it around and do my usual studio layout if you guys want as well. Also I'll be using various backdrop colours for specific tests, so you'll be seeing plenty of variety and new themes. But come on, who doesn't like a Windows 95 green for a charging test? So, before I start guys, can I just say thank you to every single one of you guys who have now helped enable this channel surpass 2,500 subscribers. It's very humbling as a content creator, and I can't explain how grateful I am for your continuous support. It's truly phenomenal to see my content reaching bigger and bigger audiences, and long may it continue into the future. And I have no doubt that with the help of you guys watching, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing, we're gonna smash this year. The sky's the limit. Thank you again guys. Right, let's get straight to business. Let's go. In today's video, I'll be conducting a battery charging test between the Huawei Mate 10 Pro and LG G6. So essentially the test is straightforward in its concept. Both smartphones will be at 0% charge, and whichever smartphone reaches 100% full battery charge wins the battery charging test. It's as simple as that. So who can come out on top here? Team Huawei or Team LG? So I'll be testing fast chargers from both manufacturers. The Huawei Mate 10 Pro uses its proprietary supercharge technology for charging, and the LG G6 is equipped with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 support. So basically this implies that both smartphones charge very quickly, but how quickly? And that's where I come in. And of course both the Huawei Mate 10 Pro and LG G6 have USB Type-C charging ports. So it's time to see who can charge the fastest. Let's go. And if you're new here and enjoy what you're seeing, do hit that subscribe button because I've got tons of brand new content like this coming up. Introducing the OnePlus 5, the third device that I'll be needing, as I'll be using the OnePlus 5 as a stopwatch to track the time and duration of the test. Right, let me just unlock the phone and head over into the apps, and let's open up the stopwatch. There we are. And time to insert both USB Type-C charging cables into the charging ports. So at this point guys, the Huawei Mate 10 Pro and LG G6 are completely flat and are at 0%. Okay, so it's lights off, and as soon as I press the power switch to turn everything back on again, the test will begin. So on the count, 3, 2, 1, go. As you guys can see, we're up and away and the test has begun. So as the charging test is carried out, I'll fast forward the video and stop periodically to check just how much the Mate 10 Pro and LG G6 have charged. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Okay, so we've hit the half-hour mark, let's check it out. So on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, we are at an incredible 60% charge, very nice. And for the LG G6, we are at 31%, so the Mate 10 Pro leading the way by being twice as fast in the first 30 minutes. Let's continue. Right, it's been just over 1 hour, Mate 10 Pro is at 90% and the LG G6 is at 72%. Can the LG G6 catch up? Let's continue on and find out. Okay, so at 1 hour and 25 minutes, the Mate 10 Pro is nearly complete at 97% and the LG G6 has caught up and is at 92%. So just over 6 minutes later, Mate 10 Pro is at 99% and the LG G6 is at 94%. Now let's see how long left before full charge for the Mate 10 Pro. Let's go. There we are guys, the Huawei Mate 10 Pro fully charged in around 1 hour and 33 minutes and the LG G6 is at 95%. So let's see just how long it takes the LG G6 to reach full charge. Let's take a look. And finally guys, the LG G6 fully charged in 1 hour and 50 minutes, so the final 5% took an extra 20 minutes. Very interesting results. There we are guys, conclusive results for the charging test between both of these incredible smartphones. Your winner for the first brand new charging comparison test here at my studio, the one and only supercharged Huawei Mate 10 Pro. So guys, let me know what you thought about this one in the comment section. Are you team Huawei or team LG? I genuinely can't wait to hear your thoughts. Now, going forward in this format at 4K quality, there'll be much more smartphone comparison tests coming up. Keep leaving your suggestions on what you guys want to see, and I will try my best to bring all the latest and greatest smartphones to my studio. I've been getting lots of requests for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, Sony Xperia XZ Premium, Google Pixel 2, the LG V30, and so on. And once they're in, you'll be seeing everything. I'm talking speed tests, charging tests, and battery drain tests, and anything else you would like me to cover, such as benchmark testing, 3D graphics, GPU and display quality. So stay tuned, you won't want to miss a thing. Once again, thank you so much for your time. I truly appreciate each and every single one of you guys tuning in, and I will do my best to continue to bring the best smartphone content. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one. Cue my new outro and enjoy. Peace.